Hi, this is Dr. Welling, and today we are going to discuss about the new strain of coronavirus that is found in southern France. The B1642 variant was discovered at the Institute IHU Mediterranean infection. So the researchers believe that it contains 46 mutations. This has more mutations than the Omicron variant of COVID-19. The World Health Organization says that it is monitoring the coronavirus variant detected in very small number of patients in France, and that for now there is little or no reason to worry about its spread. So according to local reports, only about 12 to 20 cases of this new variant have been reported near Marseille and has been linked to an African country of Cameroon. But as of today, 6th January, Omicron strain is still dominating in most part of the world, including India. This new variant may not be a major threat, as though initially reported way back in October 21, the cases have not been reported so far in countries other than France and is now labeled as variant under investigation by WHO. Yet, to be labeled of variant of interest or variant of concern like Omicron. The strain carries E484K mutation, which can make it resistant to vaccines. It also has the N501Y mutation, first that was seen in Alpha variant, that experts believe can make it more easily transmissible. So actually concerns over the variant in France arose after researchers found that it contained close to 46 mutations that differed from the original version of coronavirus. So Omicron also has a high number of mutations which researchers believe made it far more transmissible. It is too early to speculate on virological or epidemiological clinical features of this IHU variant based on these just 12 cases. So numerous coronavirus variants have emerged over the past 2 years, and the reasons that some spread widely while others do not are complex. For now, several independent researchers say there is little reason to be concerned about the IHU variant. There are many new variants of this virus discovered all the time, but it does not necessarily mean that they will be more dangerous. So, what makes a variant more well known and dangerous is its ability to multiply faster and spread because of the number of mutations it has in relation to the original COVID-19 virus. This is when it becomes variant of concern for WHO, like Omicron, which is more contagious and spreads in spite of the past immunity. It remains to be seen in which category this new variant will fall in the coming days as they come in the future. You can subscribe to my videos and get updated and genuine information on the latest variant and status of COVID-19. Bye and take care.